Let us install vManage now. I have already installed the vManage in the KVM. So basically we are running all these devices in KVM, right? And now, so as a part of our this one, so this is our IP 3493.224.96 is my pod IP, and then 30151 is actually my port number for accessing the vManage. Okay, so let me just connect it. Okay, so once you boot your vManage in the KVM or any other hypervisor, this is how you will get your settings. You see available storage devices. The hard disk, which is B here, HDB, is 20 GB. As of now, as this is a lab setup, we have allocated only 20 GB for vManage. So let me just select which device to boot here. Okay, so would you like to format HDB? Yes. Okay, and then it is trying to format it, and once it formats we will get access to the complete device. Now you can see the system is going down for a reboot now, so once it comes back we will have access to this particular device.